Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, we have had 8 up weeks in a row, and that is at the very forefront of the Santa Claus rally, which has already begun. The S&P 500 was up a smidge today, 0.2%, which was 95 cents. And that is ushering in that Santa Claus rally, which typically happens from now through between Christmas and New Year's, and then the first 2 days of January. And that plays out about 2/3 of the time. So, better to be long than short statistically. We'll see how that continues to play out, but so far, it's been pretty tough to fight this market. As they say, you can't fight the tape. So I don't plan on getting caught short here myself. That said, speaking of short, next week is a short week. We're closed on Monday for the Christmas Day holiday, and then we have 4 more days. We're open New Year's Eve. We're always open a full day New Year's Eve, and then, of course, closed New Year's Day. New Year's Eve, of course, being on the weekend, but December 29th will be a full trading day. All that said, have a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll catch you next week.